Clarke, let's talk about bodies of law, statutes, the Constitution, how all that comes into play with a DWI.
Well, I could talk about this for a while, but let me give you a quick law school lesson. And if you will, again, take notes during this. How you prepare your defense in a criminal case really plays into all three different areas of law. One, state statutes that are passed by the legislature define what a DWI is. And so we've got very specific statutes on what a DWI is. Second, the United States Constitution. You have a Fourth Amendment right to be free from unreasonable searches and unreasonable seizures. So when you're pulled over on the side of the road, you're seized. Well, that raises an entire body of constitutional law as to whether it's done correctly or not. And then the third area of law that you really need to be familiar with is case law. And case law are individual cases that have gone up to the appellate court so that they can decide exactly how the law applies to this set of facts, a very specific DWI. What if you were pulled over in the pouring rain and you hadn't really run off the road, you just weaved a little bit. You haven't committed a violation. And the individual facts of each case then are decided in case law. So in preparing a DWI defense, you've got to look at all of the elements of the statute. You've got to look at the different constitutional seizure issues, and then you've got to look to individual case law to find similar cases.
All right, thanks, Clarke. And speaking of statutory law, that's what we'll look at next.